Okay, this is Katie and Lexi again today, and we're having a farting and burping contest, and we started at 8:30, and guess what time it is now? Here, I'll just show you. It's 9:02. Okay, and this is how many burps we got. Hey, move your face. So Lexi totally won that one for the burps, and then for the farts, Katie won the fart. Katie won the fart. 6-1, and Lexi won the burps. 39-20. Burper.
Like a champion.
Yeah. And you know the reason for our awesomeness?
Because I drank Sprite.
Right. Word of advice to everyone. Whoever wants to win a burping contest or a farting contest, always, no matter what, drink Sprite.
Makes you win.
But then it gives you a tummy ache, and then you feel like you're gonna poop your pants or throw up.
No, I feel like I'm gonna puke.
Yeah, 'cause you only farted once.
Yeah, you're the master of those.
Yeah, I know. Do you want these?
No.
Don't draw on them.
Not.
Are you sure? Close up on the marker. Okay. Well, I guess this is a goodbye from Katie and Lexi. We'll see you at Six Flags tomorrow. Goodbye.
Indeed we will.